waiting at the station. It's 5 minutes ago before your train sets off. On the production bridge, you see a young mother pushing a pram. She's running to catch the train. But you're already setting off. Why are you doing that? It's 5 p.m. Rush hour. Friday afternoon. It's gonna be a busy train. But you're only pulling 2 carriages. People are being crushed. Some can't even get to the doors. They demand more carriages. But you're not listening. You've even given up caring. They cackle. They mean nothing to you. Why is that? Why is that? Why is that? Creative to help biofused engines cope with the transition. Now it's used to find engines disguised and hiding on the mainland. Dad loved the engines. Right up until the end. In 2018, I watched children's celebrity Thomas the Tank Engine lifted him up and tore him apart. If that didn't ruin my childhood, the consequences would be. He was taken to Sodor and given his freedom. A free biofused freak left in the UK was free to return to Sodor. As for me, I found the perfect target for me, a hangar on Sodor's airfield, once owned by Hildar Research, and hiding an embarrassing secret. Hundreds of trucks, failed biofuse housings, stored as raw material biofusion procedures, and now left to die. But not fast enough for me. Was I thanked? Did real people sympathize? No. I were incarcerated for the time being, an embarrassment for my country, but only for the time being. As for Thomas, he began campaigning. With him at the help, of course. Not long after, an illegal referendum was announced. Engines that could rolled up to polling stations. It made their surface marks on inconsequential forums. Of course, the UK dismissed the decision, so that engines took the next step, forcing the people out of their own homes and towns. Petty acts of dissent. civil disobedience, vandalism to public indecency.
Oh my God, that's so
I
never in the FYI.
vegetation became despicable. It was time for harsh measures. First of 6 increases by now, well known in the Jap-deadliest combatant in the Japanese engine enemy circuit. Engines rigged into going to Tokyo were mutilated, turned into fighting machines, and then idolized by the begging mob. Oliver was the lucky one. He was retired to form the basis of a kid's playground. After years of his fellow engines to submission, Thomas formed the Release and Return to Dock for what appeared as an act of charity was something else.